In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add Zoom to your Eventbrite online event page. First, open your preferred web browser and head to the Eventbrite website. If you aren't already signed in, go ahead and log into your account so you can access your events. It's best to do this on a desktop for the most complete editing options. Make sure the event you want to update is already created and that it's set as an online event or includes an online component, since that's where the Zoom integration lives. Next, navigate to your event from your Eventbrite dashboard. You'll see a list of your upcoming or draft events. Find the correct event, especially if you manage multiple listings or recurring dates, and look for the three-dot menu next to it. Click that menu, then choose Edit. This opens the event editor where you control everything attendees will see. Inside the editor, look for the section labeled Online Event Page. This is where you add details that help attendees join your virtual session. Open that section and click Add Zoom. This action connects your Zoom meeting or webinar to the Eventbrite event, so the joining details can be automatically inserted into the event page and sent to attendees with their confirmation and reminder emails. If you're prompted to authorize Zoom, simply follow the on-screen prompts to approve the connection between your Eventbrite account and your Zoom account. That quick authorization allows Eventbrite to securely embed the correct access link for your event. Once Zoom is added, you should see confirmation on the online event page that a Zoom meeting or webinar is linked. This means attendees will receive the necessary joining information without you having to send it manually. If you use Zoom meetings for interactive sessions or Zoom webinars for larger presentation-style events, Eventbrite will accommodate either. Just ensure your Zoom plan supports the format you choose. That's it. You've successfully connected Zoom to your Eventbrite event. As a quick tip, give the event page a preview to make sure the online access section looks correct and that the language is clear for attendees. Also, double-check the event date and time zone so the Zoom session starts when you expect. If you update your Zoom settings later, such as enabling a waiting room or requiring registration within Zoom, remember that those Zoom side settings will apply when attendees join from the Eventbrite link. You're all set. Your Eventbrite event now includes a streamlined Zoom experience, making it easier for your audience to register, receive the right information, and join on time.